Welcome back to the channel. Today's walk around video is going to be on this 2020 GMC Sierra 3500 HD. This has a 6.6 liter Duramax engine and it is paired with an amazing 10-speed Allison transmission. Now these 3500s, even when they're a couple years old, I mean, they're hard to come by. They're work trucks. A lot of people keep them. The Duramax engines, they last a long time. Has remote start and hands-free tailgate down. This also has the multi-pro flex tailgate. So you have this that can be used as a stopper. If you have anything that needs like wood or anything like that. But it's also a step. Easy access into the back. Here's a handle. Fifth wheel prep package is already on this. Let's go in here and look at the roominess of this back seat. Now you do have heated rear seats back here. You have a sunroof. Let's go inside and take a look at some of these features that you get with this model. You have memory seats, power windows and locks and mirrors, Bose stereo system, which sounds amazing. Right here you have your tow haul mode select and your 4 high, 4 low, 2-wheel drive and all your lights. You do have a heads-up display. Your gap adjust, your cruise control, your heated steering wheel, your Bluetooth. This one does have built-in navigation. You also have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, has a 360 camera system all the way around, including your rearview mirror is also a camera. You can turn it off and use it as a regular mirror or have the camera on. Come down here, you have heated and vented seats. And of course your lane keep assist and your parking sensors, tailgate down. I mean these 3500s don't last long. And look, you have cup holders right there. That's cargo space. They don't last long, and this one has 52,434 miles.